What's going on, everybody? Making this quick video to share with you some strategies on studying. There is a wealth of information that we need to learn. There is so much that we need to understand, and sometimes it can really feel like drinking out of a fire hose. There's just like, how can you retain this? How can you grasp this? Especially when you're studying networking concepts, how computers communicate, the different protocols, DHCP, ICMP. It's like, how do you remember all this stuff? I want to give you one tip that will truly help you, and it's very simple, something that has helped me really grasp these concepts, and it's conceptualizing. Whenever you find yourself being introduced to a complex topic and you just don't get it, you just can't wrap your head around it, what I would recommend is try to conceptualize it. Now, what do I mean by that? All that means is tie what that new thing is that you don't understand to something that you do understand. Try to explain it in an analogy. Now, if you use a large language model like ChatGPT, it makes it so easy to do this, because you can ask ChatGPT, can you explain to me how an engine works, by conceptualizing it, by turning it into an analogy, by having to explain it like that. Your brain just kind of gets it, you know? And I don't want you to overlook this simple technique, but it really helps with any topic, anything that you're trying to learn. The way anybody learns anything is by attaching that new knowledge to old knowledge that we already understand. So, for example, subnet masking. Pardon me for the Spanish music. I'm actually over here working, driving Uber, and people are blasting music. But for example, subnet masking, right, is a networking concept, and it was really hard for me to understand like how to explain it. But then I realized, oh, if you just understand that this IP addressing is like neighborhood blocks, and then the devices are the houses on the blocks, to me, I just got it, right? Now, that might not make any sense to you if you're not familiar with subnet masking, but the point is, I tied this foreign information to something that I do understand, and then I was like, I got it. So try that when you're studying, right? Really try to work with it. Really try to hit it. You know, look at it from different angles. Go watch separate videos on it, and that will really help you understand complex topics. Now, as I close out, just know that learning is our biggest superpower. You can learn anything. There's nothing that you can't learn. And I believe that's one of the single greatest things about getting into tech, getting into cybersecurity, is that it doesn't matter what it is, I can learn it. I can spend that time, focus, develop my skills, and then use that knowledge in the job market. Well, this is Evan Yearwood. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Hope you have a great day.